How to turn on email suggested accounts notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on email suggested accounts notifications on TikTok mobile. First thing, open TikTok and now click the three lines in the top corner and then click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find this one, push notifications, and then click email notifications, and here you will find it suggested accounts. Just turn it on by one click and then go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.